Yes, I love these. I love this. But this is just perfect. Even when I'm cooking, like, it gives me the real picture of what I'm doing, because I can just keep it on top of the table when I'm cooking and just bend it like this, like into the pot directly. Hello guys. Oh my god, I can't wait to unbox this. Yeah, I got a new camera stand. I just hope it supports my phone, because I still use my phone to film for now, and I really invested so much on camera stands. I've been looking for something that can give me good angles. As you can see, this one I'm using right now, somewhere in the adjustment spot, and I can't even adjust it down to show me unboxing this properly. Yeah, so I got this from Amazon. I really hope it is just what I've been looking for all this while. I've bought different kinds of stands, like up to 3, and they all keep getting spoiled. Really, this one did not really get spoiled, but it just got hooked up somewhere and I can't use it anymore. So I really want to hope that this one is that one I've been looking for all along. Okay, so let's unbox it together. So you might not be seeing the whole process. That's because I can't really move the head of this particular stand that has my camera. Well, this one is looking like a serious business. So hey, you even came with a bag. I just hope this is what I've been looking for. I just hope. See how it looks like. Okay, it's looking firm already. I think I like it. Man, it's too long. But then, it's too long and heavy. Hey God, please let this be my last bus stop now. I actually got this because of this that I saw. This handle that it can move 360 degrees. Sincerely, that's why I got it. Because when I do my cook videos, I want something that will be showing into the pot directly. That's why I've been buying handles till I came across this. So I really hope this will give me what I've been looking for. Yeah, it's usually for cameras, mainly for cameras, but for now I still use my phone. So I'll just look for how to fix that in and see if it can still rotate. So this is the phone handle that came with it. I think this is really nice. Yeah, I think this is really nice. So this is where you have fixed that. Okay. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be like this. So yes, then you use this one to turn around to wherever you want. Hey, very good. I think when I bend this like this, I should be able to picture my cooking. So I really think this is going to serve for now. Yeah. Guys, this is the real deal. So if you do a cook video, you might want to try this, Like, I love the fact that I can bend it down like this and to be looking into my pots. And of course, it's high. You can adjust this, I think. Okay. guys, okay, so excited about this. Oh yeah, this is the real deal, guys. So guys, like, I think this is hungry. Oh my god, I think this is what I've been looking for all this while. Finally got it. Okay guys, see you when next we see. See you when next we see. Bye. So guys, I thought I had come to the end of my YouTube equipment purchase. I just showed you the last one I got, and I thought I had come to the end of the bus stop. I just discovered that even though I like this, it's big, it's balanced, it's strong, I can rotate it 360. I need something smaller, so when I'm going on the way, I want to vlog, I just carry my phone. I wouldn't need to be carrying this big stuff up and down anywhere I'm going to. So I got this one again. When this one arrived, my husband said, I'm tired of you and this your YouTube thing. Every day you are buying one thing or the other. That's it now. I say we'll keep buying till we get it right. Well, I want to believe that this is the I used to have a smaller one, actually, selfie stick. I used to have a selfie stick, but it got spoiled like 2 weeks ago. That was when I now bought the long one I just showed you. So I got another one. It's quite cheap. I got this for £7 on Amazon. All this marketing I'm doing for them, I hope they'll see me one day. So let me show you the previous one I had that got spoiled. So this is my previous selfie stick. This handle here got broken and I don't know how to fix it. Just said to buy another one. I think I got this one for £9. Then saw something similar but cheaper, £7. I think with these two I'm good to go when it comes to YouTube equipment. If I want to buy any other thing, it's just for luxury, like not really because I need it. So this is what it looks like it's just so portable. I like it really. So this is it. So what am I supposed to Okay, you can remove this and use as a remote. So how am I supposed to raise this up there? Six. Can use it to hold your phone. Okay, so yes, I love this. So it's like this will be very good for some of my cooking videos. Well, I think I would have loved something like this that could stand. Something like this that could stand, and I can also bend when I want to bend. So looks like I'm returning this back to Amazon. Hey god, I hate returns. Looks like I'm going to return this really, but I like it. Let me see if there's something I can do about it. Guys, I just figured it out. I can actually turn it. See, it's standing like this now. If I want it again, I just do like this, do like this, do like this. Yes. Yes, yes, I love these. I love this. Like, are you sure I will even still use this big one I bought? Maybe I'll just use it for my sit down videos, but this is just perfect. Even when I'm cooking, like, it gives me the real picture of what I'm doing, because I can just keep it on top of the table when I'm cooking and just bend it like this, like into the pot directly. So I really love this, guys. I love it. It can go as long as this. Like, this is just perfect, really. I like it.